Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Add your cleanser to the tank. A few tablespoons of a liquid soap, a half cup of white vinegar or a half cup of baking soda. Swish it around with the brush to mix it up. Using the long-handled brush, gently scrub the bottom and sides of the tank using the cleanser water mixture. 0.18 May 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The best toilet bowl cleaners of 2021. Lysol Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaning Click Gel. Clorox Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Iron Out Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Never Scrub Automatic Toilet Cleaning System. Scrubbing Bubbles Vanish Continuous Clean. Fluidmaster 8100 Flush and Sparkle. Kaboom Scrub Free. The 11th of March 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pine Sol in Tank. Pine Sol is a popular household multipurpose cleaner. This cleaner can be used to give your toilet bowl a wonderful smell. Pour about a cup into the toilet tank about 2 times per week. Your toilet bowl and tank will smell amazing by using Pine Sol in it. 10 September 2019.
Take our lead.
Clogged drains. Sometimes your toilet drain becomes partially clogged, gradually or all at once. When this happens, your toilet will take longer to drain and refill, causing the water level to drop. When the toilet tank is underfilled or takes a long time to fill, this can allow smelly sewer gas to come back. 22 September 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Vinegar will not harm your toilet's tank, bowl or inner components. The substance is safe to use and removes dirt, grime and mineral stains, and it deodorizes toilets without the need for purchasing and using a commercial toilet cleaner. Turn on the water and flush the toilet several times. 5 October 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.